Everyone, and welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. So here is the disclaimer from our side. So before I start the session, registration granted by SEBI, membership of BSL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to investors. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the dated documents carefully before investing. So US market and Asian market, I will see how it has closed. So Dow has closed on negative note. In fact, the US market has closed on negative note, and Dow has closed on negative note by 0.882%. S&P 500 is 1.61%, and Nasdaq has closed lower by 2.23%. Now, European market DAX has closed on negative note again by 0.40. FTSE 100 on negative note by 0.47, and CAC 40 has closed on negative note by 0.27. Asian market, Kospi has closed on positive note by 1.28%, Nikkei 0.68% on negative note, Shanghai Composite 0.42% on positive note, Hang Seng has closed on positive note by 1.63. Now we'll see the news. US market in slower post FOMC meet rate unchanged, which was at 5.25 to 5.50. Both the FOMC statement and Chair Powell pushed back against expectation for near-term rate cut. India's April-December fiscal deficit at 9.82 lakh crore. Jet fuel price cut at price cut at rupees 1 per 1 lakh per kiloliter from 1.01 lakh per kiloliter in Delhi. GST revenue collection for January 2024 is second highest ever at 1.72 lakh crore, records increase of 10.4% YOY. Paytm sees up to 500 crore hits on its annual operation income post RBI restrictions. Gujarat Gas signs MOU with HPCL for liquid fuel and CNC facilities. Now we will see earnings news. Sri Cements reports Q3 earnings net profit at 734.2 crore versus 277 crore YOY, and revenue grew 20% to 4,900 crores. JSPL reports Q3 earnings net profit at 1,921 crore, 1,928 crore versus 1,518 crores YOY, and revenue down 6% to 11,701 crore. Dixon Technology report Q3 earnings net profit up at 6.1% at 97.1 crore versus 52 crores YOY, and revenue doubled to 4,818 crores. Godrej Consumer reports Q3 earnings net profit up 6.4% at 581.1 crore versus 546.3 crores YOY, and revenue up 2% to 3,660 crores. Earnings due: Adani Enterprise, Adani Port, Titan Rights, Indian Hotels, Emphasis, AB Capital, and About India, among others. Now we will see the derivatives data. Nifty 50 PCR stand at 0.76. Maximum call opening test was seen at 22,500 to 22,000, which amounts to 2.03 lakh followed by 1.47 lakhs. Maximum put opening test was seen at 21,500 followed by 21,000, which amounts to 1.84 lakh, which amounts to 1.54 lakh followed by 1.44 lakh. Now we'll see the chart. So we have seen, so this is the daily chart of Nifty, and we have seen how the index has started the week. The index has started the week on Monday with a positive note where it has reclaimed its 21 DMA, because 21 DMA has reached, actually we have seen almost 2 times here. One on 17th Jan. Again it has tried to reclaim, but it was not so successful in doing that, and again it has reclaimed decisively on 23rd of Jan, and it has actually tried to show resilience after that when the index has hit the low at 21,130 or 140 kind of level. And then we have seen in this week, the index has actually behaved in a volatile manner where it has reclaimed 21 DMA. Again, it has breached on Tuesday. Again, it has reclaimed its 21 DMA on yesterday trading session. So we'll see where the support and resistance is placed. So actually, support is placed around 21,450 to 21,400 level. And if you look at the resistance, then the index is facing resistance near 21,850 to 22,000. So this is the entire chart of Nifty 50. And but the thing is, how index will behave into today trading session, because we have the budget also, and because of the budget, index may take that trigger from that. So our advice is to wait and watch before the budget session. Try to be calm in taking your position. Try to listen the speech of our FM and finance ministers, and then accordingly we can take our positions in terms of investment and stuffs. And one more announcement is that we are actually supposed to have stock darbar in the evening, which is actually postponed because of the budget only, because Mauritius is not available and there is some scarcity of time as well. So this is all for the day, for the previous session. So I would like to thank you all. Thank you all for your patient hearing. All the best.